This is a quick walkthrough for week 7, assignment 2. For assignment 1, you shot 36 images, imported them into Lightroom using your creator or copyright preset, keyworded all images, put them into a collection, flagged the 4 strongest images, added 5 stars to the top image, and took a screenshot and created a contact sheet. For assignment 2, you'll be choosing 4 of the images to apply some of the newly introduced localized adjustments to, including the graduated filter, adjustment brush, and/or spot removal, cloning, and healing. The red eye removal tool was introduced this week, but I imagine that this is something you will not create on purpose and will not likely result in one of your best shots. That's more for reference. But if you do choose to use the red eye removal here, that would be fine as well. So for the 4 images, I don't need to see the actual pins or so forth in the localized tools, but just make sure they show in the history as part of the adjustments along with the before and after view. And just take a screenshot of the before and after of each of the 4 adjusted images. Okay. Next, you will be including all of the images, not the screenshots, in a website. Go ahead and sequence the images as you wish. Navigate to the web module. Make sure you're using all Filmstrip photos if you have the 36 images in a collection, as they should be. There's a separate video talking about specific web options. Once you have chosen a template and all of the customization, it should include, at the very minimum, a site title and then captions on at least the 4 images that you chose to adjust. And at that point, you'll go ahead and export the website as an entire web folder. Okay, I've already done this. So here I have the website folder and the screenshots in a separate folder. The website, go ahead and check it by just clicking on it, and then the index.html, and click through. If everything looks in order, go ahead and zip the entire folder containing the 4 before and after screenshots, as well as the website, and upload to class. Just a little aside and reminder, as far as the 36 images in the website, while you're not required to edit all of the images nor show a before and after of all of the images, they should all be edited somewhat if needed. In other words, if any of the images are severely over or underexposed, or especially flat, or have some white balance issues, etc., those should be edited as well. You just won't need to show the exact steps. But these should be the final edited images within the website that you're showcasing. Have a great day.